Welcome to another important lecture in the mathematics. As you already know, we have seen several concepts in the Vedic mathematics. Now we will see one of the important concept called squares. Okay? Squares. Coming to squares, the definition of a square is when a number multiplied by itself resulting in the square of a number. For example, I'll tell you, suppose if you take a number 2, the square of a 2 is represented by 2 upon 2. Okay, 2 square. This is equals to 2 into 2. 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. Sir, this is a small number, you have written square 4, which is very easy. Okay, see, in mathematics especially, if any proof works for a small number, the same proof works for the larger number also. Here if it is a small number, we can do it within no time. But when you take what is the square of this number, it will take lot of time, right? It will take lot of time to calculate the square. That is why I am here to teach you. Let the number can be any much big, maybe 3 digit or 4 digit or 5 digit. You will be able to solve this within no time, that is 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. Okay, now I will teach you step by step. Okay, you just need to focus on my lecture and what I am writing here. Thereby I am assured that after completion of this lecture you will be 100% accurately solving any square of a number, maybe 99 square, 98 square, 107 square, 105 square in less than 10 seconds. Mark my words, less than 10 seconds. Okay, now 3 square. 3 square, we know 3 into 3, that equal to 9, right? Now 4 square, 4 into 4, that equal to 16, right? 5 square, 5 into 5, that equal to 25, right? Sir, these all things we know. Yes, my dear students, you know all these things, but the next step which I am solving using Vedic mathematics. From here, you will be amazed. Okay, just see here. 6 square. For finding 6 square, here we are taking the nearest base value 10. Why? Because in Vedic mathematics, always base is very important. Here, the nearest base is 10. Here, this, if you compare, what is this Nikilam value? Nikilam means you need to subtract this from the base. Okay, so it will be minus 4, right? Minus 4. Now, since it is minus 4, you need to minus this value from this value. Okay, now you need to subtract 4 from 6, so the value will be 2. Okay, now you need to square this. 4 square how much? 16, right? So 1, 6. This 1 is the carry, so you need to add to this 2, so this will be 36. Understand the method? Here what we are doing, okay, we will take another example like 7. Now 7 square. 7 square, 7 is how much less than 10? That is 3 less than 10, right? Now you have to subtract 3 from 7. You have to subtract 3 from 7, so that will be 4. Okay, now square of this value. 3 square how much? 9. So this will be the square of 7. Now we will take another example. 8 square. 8. 8 is how much less than 10? It is 2 less than 10, and reduce 2 from this. Okay, so it will be 6, and 2 square how much? 4. 64. Very easy, right? Okay, for smaller numbers it is very small. We are going to take lot of examples and we will check this. Okay, now we take 10 square. 10 is how much less than 10? It is 0 times, maybe plus 0 or minus 0 you can put. So decrease 0 from 10, so this will be 10, and 0 square 0, so this will be the square of 10. Now we will take another example, maybe I will write here. What number we will take? 13 we will take. 13. 13 is how much greater than 10? It is plus 3. 13 is plus 3 greater than 10, right? Now you need to add 3 to it, so this will become 6. So what is 3 square? That is 9. So 169 will be the 13 square. Now you are getting the differentiation, right? When it is less than 10, you should subtract that value. When it is greater than 10, you should add that value. We will solve 12. 12 square. 12 is plus 2. 10 plus 2, right? So now, so you have to add that 2 to the 12. So this will become 14. 2 square is 4. So 12 square. Now we will take 14. 14 square. 14 is how much plus 4? I am only telling the answer. 14 is how much greater than 10? It is plus 4. Plus 4, right? Now you need to add 4 to 14 so that it will become 18. Right? Now 4 square is 16. Actually, we need to fill only one place. That is why what is the leftover carry? You need to write here. Means the carry should be add to the tens value. So this will become 196. How 9 came? 8 plus 1. Where this 1 came from? 1 came from the carry bit of this 14. 4 square, that is 16. So this will be 196. If you don't believe me, I can take lot more examples and prove this. But as of now, the whole concept you should understand that this is very simple concept. Okay, I will take another big numbers. We will carry that. 99 square. It is close to 100, right? So our base will be 100. How much it is close to 100? 100 minus 1 equal to 99. So reduce 1 from this. So this will be equal to 98 and 1 square. This will be 0, 1. Okay. Next take another example. 96. How much it is less from 100? It is minus 4. And reduce 4 from this. So this will become 92. 4 square 16. I'll take another example. 97. How much it is less than 100? It is minus 3. Right? So reduce minus 3. This will become 94. 3 square how much? 9. Okay. Now we will take greater than 100. So 101. It is how much greater than 100? This is plus 1. Right? Now add plus 1 to that. So this will become 102. 1 square. We will solve one more example. 103. 103 is how much more than 100? It is plus 3. So add plus 3 to this. So this will become 106. And 3 square is 9. If you observe very clearly, I have written 3 square 9 in 2 digits. 09. Why 2 digits? Because it is base 100. Base 100 has 2 zeros. 2 zeros. So we should fill 2 places. Anything excess to 2 places will be taken as the carry and added to the previous digit. Okay, that thing also when example comes I will explain you. So now take 110 square. 110 square how much greater? Plus 10. Okay, so add 10 to this. So this will become 120. Now 10 square how much? 100. 100. Actually you need to fill only 2 places. Only 2 places we need to fill. The extra 1 bit will be the carry we need to add here. Okay. Now this one should be added to this value. So this will become 12100. If you don't believe me, check with the calculator. Okay. Throw the calculator away. This is how we can solve it. We will take another example also. We will take the 3-digit numbers. What is this? 991 square. Literally to calculate this 991 into 991. It will take more time. But in Vedic mathematics, within seconds you can solve. How? Here 991, it is close to 1000. So base value will be 1000. How it is? How much less than base? It is 9 less than base. So remove 9 from this. So minus subtract 9 from this. So 991 minus 9 how much? 982. 982, right? Now square the 9 value. 9 square 81. 081. Since base is 1000, it contains 3 zeros. So you need to fill 3 values. 9 square is 81. So 081 you need to write. Okay. Now we will take another example. 993 square. It is minus 7. Right. So this will be 986. 986. 7 square is 49. 049. If you don't believe me, you can check. We will take another number. 998. It is 2 less than base. So subtract 2, this will be 996, 004. Again we will take 999. This is 1 less than base. So 998, 1 square will be 1. We will take another number. What number we need to do? 995 we will take. 995. This is 5 less than base. So subtract 5. So this will be 990. 5 square is 25. This is very easy tricks. Okay, this is provided by the ancient mathematics called like Vedic mathematics. Okay, by Vedic mathematics we can solve any number square within no time. Okay, now we will take the values above 1000, that is greater than 1000. 1001 square we need to find. So it is how much greater than 1000? It is plus 1. So add 1 to that. So this will become 1002. Now 1 square how much? 1. Simple. If you want you can check with the calculator. We will take another number. 104 square. How much? It is plus 4. 1000 plus 4, right? So add plus 4 to this. So it will become 108. Now 4 square is how much? 16. Okay. We will take another number. 110. How much greater? Plus 10. So add plus 10 to this. 120. 10 square is 100. You write 100. Very easy, right? So like this you can form any number of squares. Okay. All the multiples like base values close to 10, close to 100, close to 1000. You can get the square of any number within less than 5 seconds, literally. Even it is not related to the intelligence, it is not related to the marks. Okay, even average, below average students also use this technique to get accurate answers 100% within no time. That is the beauty of this Vedic mathematics. Hope you liked my video. And for the people who don't know this technique, once again I am telling, I am taking another number. Okay, just see here, I am taking 1003. See, this value, its base is 1000 because it is 1000 plus 3. So add that 3 to here. So this will become 1006. 3 square is 9. So write 009. Why 009? Because 1000 contains 3 zeros. So you need to fill 3 digits. Okay. So it will be 3009. Very simple technique of doing squares. Okay. Now from now on, if anyone asks you to do squares, you need to do yes sir, we will do it within 5 seconds. Okay, and you need to do that, and you can have to show your skills. Okay, how these skills will come? By little practice. Take some small numbers, practice in the book, that is Vedic mathematics book, and how much you do practice, that much that strong patterns will form in our brain, that much longer time or longer duration that will be remember for you. Okay, thank you very much, and don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. If you got the answer, comment it. If you don't got the answer also, then write down in the comments. I'll read the comments and I'll try to help you out with the possible solution at the earliest. Okay, thank you very much.